Here is the firefighting line. So the firefighting line have some room. So under it, there are different type of gates. So this is a huge warehousing system. So under this warehousing system, there is a huge firefighting room. So this is so-called the gates, different type of gates, the distributed gates and the mainline gates, in order to take the water and control the lines. So you can see from here, this is the gate opening and the gate closing valve. So under it, you can see from here, this is the second main line. This is the second main line, and this one is the distributor lines. So under the distributor line, some typical mechanism, so call it the gear-to-gear connection. So that gear-to-gear alignment is in order to boost the lines, the amount of water that get out from the valves, in order to protect if there is a fire happen on the warehouse, the entire warehouse. But this is the main line. Yeah, so this is the controlling line switch. This is the main line, by the way. So there are plenty of lines later on, I'll show you. Yes, so the pipe distributed lines are get out, and at the external line you can see here 5 different pipes, 1 2 3. So those lines are distributed to different sections under the warehouse. So the main advantage is in order to save the system during the time of emergency, maybe fires happen. So due to these water ejecting lines and the pipes, the system is going to be saved from the fire. So that line is so-called the pipes, and the entire work is so-called the firefighting lines.